Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about one of our most popular units, the Graco 390 Classic. Hi, my name's Josh. So today we're going to talk about this unit here, which is the Graco 390 Classic, which is definitely one of the most popular units we supply. When you buy one of these units from us, this is exactly what you'll receive. So let's unbox it and see exactly what you get. So here it is. This is a true professional unit from Graco, capable of being used every day for mainly internal work, but can be used for some exterior products like your smooth masonry paints as well. As you can see, it's a stand mount unit which is really easy to move around and will fit in any small car, so you don't need a huge van to cart it around from job to job. The 390 comes with everything you need to get spraying. All you need to do is plug it into a 110 volt supply and add whatever it is you want to spray. So it comes with a FTXE 4-finger gun, which has a built-in filter into the handle, and a standard comes with a 60 mesh filter. The gun also comes with a blue Rack-X guard with a blue PAA 517 tip, so that's a 50-degree fan pattern with a 17 thou hole through the centre, so that's going to be good for jobs like emulsion on walls and ceilings. So let's go through some of the 390 specs. It weighs in at 14 kilos, so easily manageable on your own and isn't going to be too tricky to get up the stairs. It uses a 0.625 horsepower 110 volt motor, which helps you get up to a max pressure of 3,300 psi, and it can supply up to 1.8 litres per minute. The max tip size you can use with the 390 is a 21 thou, so that's something like a 621, which is a really popular size for mist coating, or a 721 like you get with a jet roller. The pump itself on the 390 is a ProConnect endurance pump, which comes with a Chromex rod and a hardened stainless steel cylinder for a long life. We all know that bottom ball can get stuck from time to time and stop us from sucking up our material, so the 390 comes with what Graco have called the quick access intake valve, which means it only requires a light knock of a hammer to come undone, and this allows you to get in there and give everything a good clean out. Eventually the seals in the pump itself are going to wear out. Normally what you'd have to do at this point is fit a packing kit if you're happy doing it yourself, or send it back to us if you want us to do it for you. But because it's a ProConnect, we can actually swap the entire pump out for a spare one really quickly, so you can get back to your job and repack the old pump at a later date that suits you. So let's have a quick look how we change the pump out. The 390 also comes with this external manifold filter, which is a larger filter than you get in the handle of the gun, and because it's got a bigger surface area, it's not going to get blocked up as quick and is definitely going to help stop those annoying tip blockages. If you aren't quite sure which tip and filter combo you should be using, there'll be a link at the end of this video to another one we've made, going through all the ins and outs and talking you through which tip is going to be best for each type of job you're doing. This unit comes with a high pressure 15 metre 1/4 inch hose, which allows you to position the 390 outside the room you're spraying in, or at least far enough away that you aren't going to get it covered in overspray. If you wanted to keep things a little bit more comfortable, you could always add a whip hose between the end of the hose and the gun itself to give you a bit more flexibility. I'd suggest either the 3/16 90cm whip hose or the new 1/8 of an inch 1.4 metre whip if your material isn't going to be too thick. To get material into the pump, we simply drop the suction tube into a bucket of our material to draw it up, basically like a big straw. And at the end of this tube we have another filter which is just there for stopping larger objects from getting drawn into the pump. This is really important to keep undamaged and in good condition, because sucking up anything we shouldn't could cause some serious damage to our pump and stop us from working. If you're using the 390 for smaller jobs where you aren't going to be using loads of material, you might consider going for the optional hopper kit, which gives you a 5.7 litre container that you can pour material directly into. The benefits of the hopper are that they're really good for small batches because it uses less material to get pumping, and they're also much easier to clean out, which allows for quicker colour changes. We do actually do a package including a hopper if you're interested, which I'll put a link to in the description below. The 390 is also really easy to use with just a simple on-off switch, a simple pressure control dial and a manual pressure gauge, so there really isn't too much to learn about the machine and also not much to go wrong. The unit comes with Smart Control 1.0, which keeps everything in check and gives you a consistent pressure with minimal fluctuation. So to summarise, the 390 is a real little workhorse that you can throw some serious work at. It comes with everything you need to get spraying, and being 110 volt, you can use it on UK sites where 110 volt is required. And with the use of a transformer, you can put it to work on those domestic jobs too. Well, I hope this video has been useful, and I'll put a link in the description below to the 390 Classic, so if you wanted to find out a bit more, you can check it out there. If you've liked the video and found it helpful, then please hit the thumbs up icon, and if you wanted to find out more and get access to exclusive offers, then please subscribe to the channel, and also hit the notification bell so you get a little notification when we upload a new video. That way you aren't going to miss out on any new offers or content. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.